Welcome everybody. So welcome for the live, guys. Let's get right to it. Today we're gonna talk about the exploded stock, where we buy, where we sell, and how we hunt for the next week, guys. So this live streaming will be exclusive about price target, straight information, straight price action movement, guys. We hunt for a lot of stocks. So bring your question, bring your stocks, and let's get right to it, okay? First stock we're gonna talk about is OCGN, guys. First off, we talked about it. We did the video about it yesterday, and we said the video in the last video that the price will hit rejection around the $10.80. And look, we have a bit of rejection when we went until the $10.62. This is a proof that this is important level be tested. As I said, will be explosion price to go to 13.49. The next one we have dots, guys, and the price, as we said, perfectly bounced from the support around the $9.23. Right now we have a bit of hesitation near the resistance, which is the 12.78. We'll see what's gonna happen. If we just go over this resistance, we're gonna see a big buying pressure again. If we get rejected, we're gonna should see a buying pressure happen again above the 11 or the $10.90 to prove that we're gonna see a higher lows, and the price will go to 18 next time. We have another one, guys. Bbig is exploded like crazy because we have a test for our ascending line, and we talked about it like since this drop, and we covered it, and we said will be the last support to bounce. In general trend is we still uptrending from below. That's why we have this massive jump for Bbig, and right now we near our resistance, the 37.11. And so let's see who's first here. Goku, Sam, Nadar. We have a lot of people here, so welcome everybody for the live streaming. Okay. AMC, Prague, and CEI for Goku. Lucid for Sam. What we have? Let's make fun and make money, of course. Welcome, Nadar. Welcome early. This is good. Early birds that take the worms, you know. Okay. So let's see what's going on first with CEI. Look. For CEI, we talked about yesterday, guys, and we have a warning sign for the price. We overcome the support, guys. We close below, unfortunately. You see, we have a clear candle close below and consolidation right now, and we have a bit of buying pressure. The last not support, but it should be like if we don't want to see a sellout, is above the $1.23, and that's why we're still holding up, and there's indecision. And right now we're gonna see another test maybe by tomorrow around the $1.38. If we get rejected this time, we're gonna see the price go to lower lows and below $1 as before, and the potential price will be first around the 0.75, then the 0.50. So be careful from this movement. If we have the test and rejection around the $1.38, this will be the confirmation. The other one, we have AMC. AMC actually exploded, guys, from our triangle, and you see, guys, we hold above the 36. Perfect for AMC. We hold above this level, above this support. Even we kind of don't hold this triangle. If we just do this, we have this kind of break-in triangle. However, we hold the support, the 36. That's why we see the price go up Right now I predict the price to go at least to test this massive testing area right now around, guys, the 43 and 44. Here we might see a rejection near this ascending line, guys. This is will have the confirmation that we still downtrending. Okay, this is will be it here around this ascending line. If we got rejected this time, we're gonna do this movement. This is really important technical area to test around the 44 43 here. Perfect test for AMC and confirm that we still doing downtrend and always rejected around this line. So I will be extra careful around this level. And yeah, Tillery, of course, hit that. Yes, that's what we do, guys. We just let the price come to us. You see, it was a good example for hunting, guys, with dots. It was perfect example. We let our price to come to us, never run after the price. Okay, naked is have a price movement up lately, and this is good. Okay, we have movement for naked, guys, and this is really good news. We're gonna see a test pretty soon for the 0.77. Oh yeah, is moving, guys, is moving. So yeah, we have the price today tested the 0.71. We have the, yeah, there's a big volume coming up, guys. So there's a big wave coming up for naked, and the wave will be confirmed here around the 0.77. And this time we might actually test this line from below again, because this was like a fake out and we didn't hold. If we just take the 4-hour candle, you see, guys, we didn't hold a green candle above, but a red candle, and we didn't consolidate above this line. So this time we want to see a test and consolidate above here. Closing above this line, guys, will confirm that naked will go to $1.46 pretty soon, and the confirmation is above the 0.98. okay, this is not even the $1, the 0.98. This will confirm that we actually changed the trend. So be extra careful. And then another thing, we need to hold this support. Most importantly, 0.62. If we hold it, guys, we're gonna see a surge for the buying pressure, and this will be the bottom for naked. This is, we want to make it the bottom, guys. 0.62, just put notification around this. This is the bottom, and let the price go up. This one will hit this the level 0.77, then 0.98, where we see the squeeze. And for Tillery, look really interesting, because we're still gravitating down, guys. You see the price go up a bit, down, go up a bit, then down, then go up a bit, then down. You see, is actually gravitating near our ascending line. So I will be extra careful, waiting for the price to come here around this $9.50. $9.50, $9.60 will be it for Tillery. In order to see the price again test for 11.62, and if we close above the 11.62, we're gonna see the price go until the 14.90. Okay, what we have here. A Prague, yeah, for sure. Hi, John. Of course, John. We'll check AVPT for sure. Enol, Prague, Goku, Prague. So we have a lot of people talking about Prague, so we gonna check it out for sure. Let me check, guys. Let me check in a bit. Okay, what we have here. Ocean, please. Okay, yes. Prague, TXMD. Okay. Okay. So we have Prague. A lot of people talk about Prague. So let's go through it and see. So Prague, guys, is holding the support kind of. Yeah, it's still holding, guys. It's still holding. For Prague, it's still holding after the rejection that we predicted. The $2.67 was the rejection. And right now we're still holding the support, the $2. We have a bit of spike down until the $2, but we didn't close 4-hour candle below. That's why we have another candle, indecision candle. And this candle will prove everything. This 4-hour candle, if we close green, this will be it. We're gonna see a retest for the $2.67, and this is just like ignition or recharge for Prague in order to see the price test for the $3.76 if we overcome this resistance. So yeah, this above the $2 really important level to hold, and we already hold it. So yeah, really important to hold by Friday tomorrow. For OCGN, Said, we already talked about it in the beginning of the video. You can actually go back and check it out. Of course, we're gonna cover Fami, of course. TXMD. Wait a second. There's a stock has been. Yeah, AVPT. Yeah, we never covered this before. Let me check OCGN, guys. Yeah, it's exploded, guys. For OCGN, look how crazy it is. Like almost 37%. Like what's happened here. And because OCGN was consolidating a lot, guys, there is a drop in volume. Then what's happened? Boom! Like crazy price movement from the 6 until the 10. You see? The price jumped really crazy around the 8th of October, 11 October. The price changed after we've been consolidating since June, guys. It's been a lot of months, almost 3-4 months. And yeah, so let me take this one. So yeah, for this one, AVPT for this one. Yeah, for this one is still dropping, guys. So we're gonna see a test again for the $9.38 pretty soon for this one. And this will be it. If we get rejected, we're gonna see the price go even lower because we're still doing lower lows for this one since a lot of time. And I will be extra careful, guys. You see, like the price is still downtrending. And we have the channel is still downtrending. So this will be a bit of game changer if we go above the $9.38. And the $10.50 would be like the reversal. So I will not touch it. If you want to buy it, I will not buy it unless you want to short it until we have the price movement go above the $10.50. Okay, we have another one, TXMD. This is new one. Yeah, this is again dropping, guys. Dropping like crazy, this one. So for this one, we went below the $1. So right now around the 0.74. We already test this resistance, guys, here around the 1st of September. And the price went down. So be extra careful because we might even get rejected this time around the 0.78. And then we go even lower because we have our exponential average still coiled down, trending below it. We have the resistance that we've been already tested before and we got rejected. And yeah, the volume is picking up right now, kind of picking up, but this will be it. If we get rejected around the 0.78 is mean that the price will go even lower until we have the price go above the 0.85. So yeah, the 0.85 will change the momentum a bit and we're gonna see a volume change and we go to test at least around the $1.08, okay? Okay, everyone. Again, if you have a question about any stocks, let me know. And for the stock that we already covered, please, you can check the stock if you go back and you watch the video again. Because after we finish the live streaming, you can re-watch the video, okay? So we can cover all the stock them being asked because we have a lot of question and requests, guys. And we try to cover all the question. Oh yeah, GME, it's been a while last time we covered GME. Guys, Tesla is exploding right now while we speak. Look what's going on with Tesla. This is crazy, guys. As we said in our Patreon, we talked about it. The price is, as I said, guys, the price is holding this ascending line. And I told you guys, any price go above this ascending line, it means we uptrending. And I told you last time we updated Tesla on our Patreon, we said the 780 is the support that will be hold. Right now, 819. Guess what? We're gonna go, guys, the 900. And might go to 1,000 all-time high for this year, guys. It's pretty close. Let me check how much percent we missing. Just 10% is missing, okay? This is crazy what's happened for Tesla right now. After massive drop that happened around the beginning of February, right now we gain all the loss that we did since February. So yeah, the 781 is good, is good. Again, for a lot of people who come in again, for CEI, as I said, guys, the CEI right now, we broke the $1.38. And as I said, there's a bit of support because we have our exponential average here. And around the $1.23, okay? This is if we don't hold above it and we see a bit of buying pressure to have a retest around the $1.38 by tomorrow because we didn't test the resistance. There's a potential that we're gonna see this reaction, okay? Here, test because we have our exponential average. Bounce here, then we have a retest for the $1.38. If we got rejected here, this will be a big sign, guys, for a massive sell-off will happen. This is it, okay? This is it for CEI if we want to change. If we don't have the price bounce here, then rejected here, will be it. And the price, technical price for hold up or buying pressure will be around the 0.75 after panic selling will happen. If that happened, there's two trigger price as we said in the last video. And yes, yeah, for Ethereum, guys, for Ethereum, I have like a technical level for Ethereum because we have the price going up again. For Ethereum, we have the price go up. Okay, and there's after we broke this ascending line, so I will be extra careful for Ethereum, and I will just make a sell limit order around this area. I will take my profit just in case, because we might have a sell-off here around this technical area before the 4,000 or around the 4,000. So let me just make this right now, and I put it around let's say the 3,986 and sell limit order, and let me check again. Yes, so here we broke, and here for the level, and let me take the 4-hour chart. No, or okay, around this area, around the 4,000. Yeah, around 4,000 would be easy, or around the 3,900 I will sell because there will be a selling pressure. So I'll put sell limit order. Yes, order price around this area, quantity, voila. Okay, my position is on Bybit right now, so perfect. So let me get back again on trading view. So yeah, around the 4,000 or the 3,900 there will be a bit of sell-off and consolidation for Ethereum, guys. So for this one, if we got rejected again, I will be hunting again around this area of interest for me, because here we're gonna see a buying pressure happening again. If we got rejected here around the 3,500, I will do like my swing trade for this one, would be perfect. And what else we have? Let me check your question, guys. No problem, no problem. We talked about Fami, of course. We didn't talk about Exella. Naked, we talked about it, guys. You can check it in the video when we finish. AVBT, we talked about it, I think. And will Bola move any soon? Okay, Rabaz, this is really interesting because we didn't cover this one before. Let me check for you guys. Okay, I put it here. Let me check. Wow, wow, what a massive job. This one went on from $30 until the $5. Imagine, guys, this is crazy. So it went up like from the beginning of this year. No, yeah, beginning of this year, we have a massive jump, almost 500%. Now we give it all back. So for this one, really interesting and dangerous. For this one is a dangerous play. We'll be extra careful. If you want to play, yeah, there's a potential of the price go up. However, right now I will be extra careful because we really near the support. $5.27, the support is kind of around the $4.22. So if the price go here, I will just take my profit. If the price jump again, I will just take my profit around this area, the $6.50. And we can actually calculate this profit taken. This would be almost 50%, guys. So this would be good. However, the stop loss will be really tight. For this one, I will put it around the $3.66. So $3.66 from the $4.22. Let me calculate it, guys. 15% loss, okay? Just consider this. Before you enter, calculate the loss before the profit. So for this one, 15%, there's a potential loss because we don't want to lose 60% or 80% like what happened right now from the beginning of this year, and we save ourselves until the 15%. However, if the price go up, we have a potential to make 50%. So this is good. It's like almost 35 to 15 profit taken to loss. So this is good. Okay, always put this kind of perspective in your mind. Think about the loss before the profit. Hopefully that was informative for you. Okay, Clifton. Welcome, Clifton. Welcome to the Hunter. Yeah, we're gonna talk about LKCO, of course. Of course, my hunters come first. Let's talk about it. So for LKCO is going to the $1.01, and guess what happened? Is predictable, guys. Is predictable. We don't hold the level $1.10, and guess what happened? We have a just signal for this candle that just went below, and this is just drive the price down. So for this one, guys, we just holding the psychological level, the $1 right now. So after the $1 is the 0.89, the perspective of the price that should hold and see a buying pressure again. Okay, this will be my trigger for the price. So the first level that I told you guys to buy at, it was around the $1.10, and guess what happened? We saw a buying pressure happening, you see. So whenever you buy around the support, the price always have a momentum up, and you could actually swing trade. Okay, here we bought around the $1.10. We have almost 17-18%. Okay, and we never drop really fast, so you can get out. Okay, and you put even like breaking even. Okay, I'm gonna give you a strategy even for the 0.89. So if we bought around the $1.10, the price go up, yes, 15%. You got 15%, perfect. Then you see, let me just put this here. Okay, the price drop, you get it here around the $1.10. Then the other candle go. Okay, perfect. You're really still in profit. Okay, is good. So what you do after this candle of worrying, because we have two red candle, what you do, you just do trailing stop, and you drive your price or stop loss from the $1, let's say before around $1.04, you just put it above the entry point, so you be in a profit, you don't lose money. So you put it let's say around the $1.15. Okay, and let me see, boom, we have a green candle, then boom, we have a green candle around the $1.25, and stop loss around the $1.15. So if the price go above, you take the profit and you have a risk-free trade. So then we have this massive red candle. You get out, but you get out with profit. You get in around the $1.10, and you get out with 4.34 profit. So this is how you protect your profit. Sometimes you get out, you have a fake out, but at least we have money. At least we have a safety net. Okay, this is kind of good psychology. For this one as well, if we get around the 0.89 and the price actually have a buying pressure again, you just drive your price up a bit to just protect your profit. Sometimes it doesn't work because LKCO on some stocks is really volatile, because sometimes the price will test the support 2 times or 3 times. But this is when you do it so many times, the probability of you get out with money is way bigger than losing money. Thank you, Yasin. Wait a second, let me check your question. We have Exilla. Yeah, we didn't cover it before. GameStop, yeah, we didn't cover it. AMC, we covered, guys. Zoomedica, yeah, Zoomedica, really interesting. So GME, we have GME. We have Zoomedica. And we have the other one. I forget this one. Let me see. We have Exella, yeah, Exella. So for Exella, guys, the price is kind of like the volume is still dropping for the big picture. Kind of, yeah, the volume is still dropping because we still holding around the support, the $1.67. So for Exilla right now is really volatile in this area, guys. So as I said, the $1.67 is the last support before the $1.30. And yeah, we're still holding this level. So any price hold will be good in order to see the price test pretty soon. If we just hold this level, we're gonna see a bounce again around the $1.90 before the $2. We're gonna see another test around this exponential average. This will be another test for Exilla. If we got rejected here, this means we're gonna go to the $1.30, and this will prove that we're still downtrending. Okay, we're still downtrending big time. So the price momentum change will be perfect, as I said, always the $2.12. And the next one, Zoomedica is have a volume change right now and still holding this level of support as well around the 0.49. Perfect. Hopefully this will be our support, guys. This will be the bottom, because the next price test for Zoomedica will be around this area, the 0.56. This will be a massive testing area before the 0.62. Because the 0.62 is the moment if Zoomedica would change the momentum up. However, right now I'm just considering the 0.49. Any consolidation is good, guys. Consolidation here is me charging up, okay? Before we're gonna see a test for the 0.62. For GameStop, yeah, we have the test rejection, as we said, the $2.19. And we went eventually around the 167, as we said, really important support here. And right now we have a rejection again around the 189. So for GameStop, right now we kind of doing higher lows. Last time around August we visited $1.45. Right now $1.67. So this is if proof that is the bottom, guys. We're gonna see the price break for the 219 and go to 300 this time. Okay, so this will be it. Just put notification around the $1.67, because any price go below it, this will break the trend that we've been doing, and this will drive us really back to the 95. This is crazy, I know, but this will prove that we have a volume drop. But if we hold this level, this will prove this time we're gonna break the 219, where we're gonna see a massive squeeze and massive buying pressure happening again. Okay. Kane. Yes. You can join us. You can join us, Kane, and you choose whatever you want here from the tire. The first tire is sold out because this is for early hunters. And you have the second tire if you want. There's just only two, okay? You can choose one of them before it's run out as well. And you have the king, just only one if you want meeting one-on-one with me to discuss your portfolio and build up strategy for you, okay? This is really special, and if you want it, there's only one left if you want to choose it. Okay, and you can like read whatever you want here on the tire, and you can know what's the benefit join with each this tire. And I'm just copy this, I'm just send it to you. If you want, it will be easier can to join us. Okay, and here's the link, will be easier for you to join. And if you have any questions, just send me a message in my email. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you, Nicole. So Nicole is here. She's always bringing really good stocks. So we already covered OCGN. Yeah, but we're going to cover it again. Okay, NXPR, AMC, and FCEL. Okay, we cover OCGN. Okay, and we gonna cover we covered OCGN, Nicole, and we cover AMC. NXPR we didn't, and FCL we didn't cover it, so we're gonna cover it in a bit. Okay, after we take the question from the new king that joined our Patreon, and he asked about Ken asked about GR VI. Okay, Ken. Welcome to the tribe, Ken. Welcome to the tribe. Okay. Let's get right to it and hunt for those two stock or this one stock. Then we're gonna go for Nicole requested stock. Okay, what you bring us? This is crazy movement. Okay, for this from one glance, look with me, guys. This is a really good example of crazy volatility change. Right now, the average volume is still million. And guess what happened before? The volume is dead here, guys. The volume is dead. However, right now, something happened and the price went up. However, we met with rejection and right now the price went down. The rejection is $9.24. And the price that will be squeezed is above the 10 for this one. Right now we have a price drop. So I will predict for the price to hold. It should hold, guys. This will be it for this one. Like around this area should be hold for the price or the support above the $7. And right now $7 above the $6.55. This should be a hold up. After that will be the price will be a sell-off. Right now, if we hold above the $6.55, this will be good. It means we can kind of consolidate before we're gonna see the breakout. So there's kind of a lot of strategy you can do here. Either you buy around the $6 near the $6.55. And you get out if the price just went below the 6 or around the $5.97, or the safest one will be around the $10. If we close above the 10 or exploded from this resistance, this will give us just a big signal that the price is like doing higher highs and the price will jump again to above the $10 and go to the 15. So this is a good scenario right now if we hold this level. Okay. Let me check for Nicole for NXPR. And let us hunt, guys. Okay, for this one. Okay, for this one is crazy. Let me go in a big picture. Maybe we see a bit. For this one, we have, the volume is still not there because it's OTC market. And for this one, Nicole, I can't actually see the chart because the volume is really low, okay? And it's just, I don't know what's going on. Maybe I will check it on other chart, but here on trading view, we have, wait a second. There's something up. Nicole, for this one, I don't know if this the one. This is NXPRF. I don't know if they actually have a merger or something, because we have F. It means they merge with something. Okay, let's see FCL first. Let's see FCEL for Nicole, because we covered FCL before. Okay, let me see this one. Okay. As we said, Nicole, for this one, the $8 is really important. We got two rejection, one around the 10th of August, the second one is around the 28th of September. So this is proof that we have a massive test, and our exponential average actually acts as a resistance as well. So the $8, I just put notification again around the $8.21, because this will be ignition to go to $11.13. Here we're gonna take our profit because we're gonna see another rejection for this area. And again, the $5.80 is the support if we don't want to go to the $4.47. So Nicole, this is a good strategy for this one. If we got rejected here around the $8 and we gravitate down, you know what you do? Just put notification around the $4.47. Okay, will be a perfect price to buy if the price went there. I will just put notification as well for FCEL around this area. If we didn't overcome this resistance, Nicole, would be an opportunity for us to buy here, and here we'll have a big buying pressure, guys. At least a bounce when we go here, at least a bounce to test here. We're gonna see a 20% profit around the $5.34 to be safe. Okay, to be safe from $4.43 until the $4.34 precisely, guys, precisely for this one. NX okay. Welcome Ken, we're gonna talk after the live session. Okay, OPMP. Oh, really interesting. We have a stock, guys, is exploding like crazy, like Ismail said. We're gonna check it out. Okay, what have we here? We have a lot of questions, guys, so we have to cover one by one so we don't cover miss any of them. Okay, so okay, we here, guys, we try to have a setup, okay, for the next week. That's why we here, guys, for the live streaming, and try to learn from each other and find some stocks have potential. So we have another stock right now, OBMP, and this one is jumping like crazy after the price went, before we have the $10 before. So we have a test before the $10. So right now for this one, I will be extra careful, guys, for this one, because we might get rejected this time around the $7.38. So for this one, guys, there's a good game plan. So if we don't want what's happened here before and the beginning of this year, okay, a massive buying pressure, then jump down and we have to hold for months. Look what's happened. This is crazy, guys. Jump in just one day, then the price went down, and guess what? We have like let me see, 200 days, guys. 200 days the price went really below the $1. So usually this will be stressful 200 days. So we don't want it to happen to you once again. So for this one, guys, if you want a bit of safety net, for this one, if we hold the $3.76 after this rejection, the predicted projection around the $7.38, I'm gonna tell you, guys, this time we're gonna see the price go beyond the $10 again, and we see a like genuine buying pressure, and we might see a test at least around this area, around the $12.13 this time. So this is really will be important. And again, you'll be saying, like if you thought about it, you would be a really good trader. That is a big gap. So between the 6 and the 3 right now is almost 100%. Okay, so it's like crazy movement. Yeah, It's crazy, almost 100%. So you see, is really high volatile, so high risk, high reward. So this kind of play for this kind of stocks, guys, don't put all your money, okay? Risk with 10%, okay? So this is really important, so you never trigger the emotional part of you. I'm just saying. Okay, we have a question. GH, is CEI done? It's just barcoding. We just talked about CEI, and we said that CEI, they have this kind of scenario will happen pretty soon for CEI. And it's not barcoding because it's like the volume is dropping. Yesterday it was 500, the day before was 600 million, and before it was 700 million. So yeah, the volume is dropping, guys. Okay, and as I said, the $1.38, it was the support. Right now we have like the small candle forming. As I said, we have a bit of holding up will happen around the $1.30, $1.23, okay, or the 20. And if we seeing this behavior, okay, going the price around the $1.38 and rejected here and the way up by tomorrow, this will prove that the price will go below and find support again around the 0.75. This will be a big price drop, of course, if we get confirmed this test of the resistance, because we didn't test the resistance yet. The resistance have to be tested. Market maker always test the price before it go down. Okay, so if we didn't get the test, we have to see a bit buying pressure around the $1.20, $1.23. This will be it for CI if we don't want to see the same reaction that happened before, panic selling like what happened here. Okay, and again we're gonna see a buying pressure happening around this area again, because this will be a discounted price as what happened here when the price jump. Yes, Grom, yes. There's a big battle for CI, guys, happening right now. That's why the price is being bought really quick, because the price that we hit right now, as I said, around the $1.20 to $1.23. This is it for CCI, guys. This is it. That's why the price been buying like a lot of buying pressure. However, like the panic selling will be triggered below this level. That's why I'm just saying this really have to hold and retest for the $1.38 by tomorrow even. Okay, what we have here. We have a lot of stock. We have Bbig. A lot of people love Bbig. And okay. We have XL. We have ISWH. Let me check this one because we didn't check it before, guys. Yes, XL, this one. For this one, I don't know, like okay, for this one I don't like the chart because kind of we didn't hold the support before, and yeah, we have a bit of chunky price action, and for this one, okay, for this one is like we went the lowest price. We tested the lowest price this time around the $5.23 for this year. So be extra careful because we might get a rejection after this price movement up around the $5.59. And if we get rejected this time around the $5.85 will prove my hypothesis and the price will go again lower again. So I'll be extra careful, even though the price, the volume is picking up right now, because yeah, it's the same what's happened with the CEI, because right now we have interest of the price because we went as the bottom. This is the bottom. So if we want to have the price go up, this will be hard a bit because we're gonna see a bit of rejection before the $6 again. So I'll be extra careful from this level around the $6 because the general trend is still downtrending, you see, and we have this massive triangle and we still inside it. Yeah, this one will be really interesting for shorts here, short sellers. Perfect trade from the 20 until the 7. Amazon contract, I think. Okay. No problem, Bill. Well, you're welcome. Okay, wait a second. Let me see what happened here. We have this one, MIC, and we have Sava. So we have a kind of FDA approval for Sava, maybe. Okay, even there's a negative news regarding this stock. We have kind of the price going up. So yeah, for this one kind of, we didn't test the 334 and we bounced before it. And okay, for this one, I will be still extra careful because there's a FDA approval play. So if we have FDA approval, guys, we're gonna see a test again for above the 100. Okay, again, if we have FDA approval, this will be the 100 mark, and a lot of volatility will happen. But until then, I will worry about the $60. Okay, the $60 will be a massive testing area for our stock. The 65 around this area, will be a testing area and a change of the momentum here in order to see the 90 first before the 100. So FDA approval, if we have FDA approval on this area and we've been trending here, will be a crazy volatility. If we just close above here at 65 and consolidate here until we have the FDA approval, we're gonna see even the 150 or 140 for this one. So yeah, I will put my eye on it. And again, we need to hold this support right now. Let me check. For Sava, this is the support that should be held, the 48.31. If we want to confirm that we are uptrending right now and doing higher lows, the 48 should be the support right now. Simple as that. Buy at least 10 million Shib and you make you and your family rich. Good one, good one. Yes, 10 million. Why not 1 billion? Why not 1 billion? Okay, let me check. So yeah, we have the price drop and the price bought back around this support. As we said, If the price go below the around here, close here, this will be a sell-off. But look what's going on. We have buying pressure and green candle happening. You see, crazy. Exactly at our 200 exponential average, we have a bounce and we have a green candle happening. And look how much, guys. We have 2.45 trillion, okay, the volume. Imagine. 2.45 trillion. And we have a bit of red candle and it was 4.70 trillion. Okay, this is the economy of America, I think, on Shiba. So yeah, for guys, for Shiba, for the price, if we don't, we're gonna see a massive test right now around the price that we got rejected at, around the 0.402821 precisely. This one will be a massive test. Okay, this is a massive test. If we got rejected here and close here, we're gonna see the price go around this area here. So simple as that. We need to test right now, and I think this reaction will happen while you sleep. I don't know about you guys, but here in France is almost 9 p.m. So I think this reaction will happen at the midnight. Always like crazy reaction for crypto always happen for me when I sleep. Crazy things happen, you know. So usually I always put buy limit order, sell limit order. So I wake up, I see my trade is triggered. Okay, this is how I deal with the crazy movement with crypto. Okay, that's NFT will make this, of course. That just dropped to 10.6. Yeah, because we had the rejection area around the 12. We went to around the 1250 something, I think. How about NRXP Pro? Yes, is heavy support. Yes. What we have here again? CRDL for Kin. Okay, CDRL. Let me check this one. Okay, we went until the 4. Okay, we have a test for the volume, which is good. Good bounce here around the $3. So yeah, we have kind of, let me just go in the big picture again. Yeah, we have a really good like support around the $2.62 where we exploded. The volume kind of dropping in the big picture. Let me check. Yes. So right now we tested the resistance around the $4.85 already, and right now we tested this level of resistance. So we have another resistance, guys. We already tested this $4.85. So right now I will be worried about this level that we really tested around the $4.18. So you see the wick that happened here. So right now for our candle wick here, right now we have in 1 hour candle red candle forming. So again, this one will be it. Okay, this 1 hour candle, the last 1 hour candle, will prove everything. If we get rejected, the price will go down again, guys, and find support again around this area, the $3, around the $3, the $2.86. Okay, this will prove that we lose momentum, and we're gonna find another support here. So this is the idea, because the $4.85 was the massive squeeze area for CRDL. Any price go above, guys, we see the $5, just put a notification from now, okay, the $5, because if we go above the $5 confirmation for explosion. And again, if we don't close or above the $4.18 and rejected by today, we're gonna see the price go gravitate down around this area, the $2.86, until we see another test for the $4 and the $4.85. Hi Joseph, how are you doing? Hi April. Thank you, Grom, thank you, appreciate that. This kind of like comments that make me going, guys, and make me upload video each day for you guys. Yes. Don't cross your finger, okay? Don't cross your finger. Have a strategy. Don't cross your finger. Don't wish. Just make it happen, okay? Make it happen. This isn't trading, guys. We don't wish. We have a probability set. We have a back testing strategy, and we just execute, okay? There's no wishful thinking, no stress. We just execute, okay? This will make your life easier. Happy to help, Hayden. Really appreciate your words. Really important to hear this kind of word that I help some people, and that's what give me pleasure actually, and I don't know, like the appreciation that you actually get what I give, like for the videos. Like hearing that you said it was helpful, it's really good. Like this shows that people actually like profit and get knowledge from it, okay? So if you have any question, let me know, and join our Patreon if you want more in-depth analysis and pre-market. Wait a second. No problem, Ken, no problem. Have fun. Welcome, Louise. Welcome, Louise. We have Grom. Bbig. What's happened with Bbig? Let me check first what have with Louise, with Grom. Then we gonna go with Bbig, because a lot of people asking what's the heck going on with Bbig. Okay, yeah, what the heck is happening to Bbig? This is normal, guys, because we hold the support around the $5.98. Look what's going on with Bbig. We said it, guys, the $5.98, it was perfect hold up, and it was a conjunction area here, and right now testing again for the $7.58. we already tested, because we have already tested before and we got rejected. So right now I will be waiting for any closing candle here, guys, will trigger the price to see the $9.52, the next target for Bbig, guys, the $9.52. Okay, so this is kind of perfect reaction for today. In the last hour for Bbig, we have this movement, and we have Friday, guys, to retest the $9.52. So I'll be extra careful from this one. The next one we have Grom. So for Grom, we have kind of price drop after we have double top here. Of course, we exhausted all the momentum that we did before. That's why we have double top. Double top is really dangerous sign, because this is, it shows us that we already tested twice the price level around the top, and this is will drop the price down. However, right now for this one, we have kind of price level that we might jump from, because we have a price going down. So I will be extra careful to go around this area. It should be here, guys. It should be here. The support should be around the $3.60 to bounce from this exponential average in order to see the price test around the $4.37 and go again up. So this will be a good reaction. Okay, we don't want to see the price go around the $3.08 again, and this will be a sign of weakness, and we might see a price going back down again around the $1. So this is kind of really important, Louise. Just important to hold above this our exponential average and confirm that we still doing higher lows. And let me show like this. So we want to confirm that we still have the price movement going up, and even if we drop from this price, you see, we need to hold above this ascending line and go up again. This will have kind of momentum still up. We don't want to see the price go until here. Okay, this will be a dangerous area for panic selling. So here will be good, here bad, and here will be the price go up and actually go to do higher highs this time. So this will be interesting to watch after this double top experience that we have lately. LKCO we talked about in the beginning, Farida. We talk about it because we said the $1 psychological level. If we don't hold, we're gonna exceed the 0.89, and we even build a strategy for it, Farida. So check the video when we finish the live streaming, because we talk about it. We talk about LKCO and even the strategy, for the next drop, if we drop and if we don't hold the $1. Let me check this one, because hidden IVC, we didn't cover this before. Let me check, guys. Let me check. Okay, for this one. Okay, for this one. Okay, the big picture is like we have a big drop like happened, and even a gap happened around September. And this one really interesting, because we actually don't hold this level, and we broke even double support here. So for this one, I will be extra careful right now, because we're retesting the $5 again. And this reaction always happen for any stock that have it didn't hold the support, that we broke the support, then retested, and if we don't break the support, it means we're gonna see lower lows. So for this one, I will be extra careful for, because the next support will be already tested actually around the $4. But if we didn't hold and we got rejected here, we're gonna go to the $3 this time. So this one I will be extra careful, because the price momentum change will be above the $5. Above the $5, if we go above this ascending line, will be even perfect in order to see if we have explosion and price momentum change. The next test will be around the $6.95. Okay, This is the next level. If we have another buying pressure and go above the $5, the next rejection will be around the $6.95 for this one. Joseph, we have something is ready to be tested. Okay, this is interesting. GRVI is ready to test which resistant. Okay, I think we talked about the stock. Let me just take this off. Okay. Wow. What the heck just going on with this one? I think, yeah, we already tested. Yeah. We talked about it before. Yeah, is around the $6.74. And we have a bit of buying pressure around the $6.55. You see, guys, is ready be tested really near our support. As we said, this is a really important test right now. This is it for our stock. If we hold this one, we're gonna see a consolidation, then a retest. I think around this area will be retested around the $7.74. Okay, this will be a normal reaction. If we hold this level above the $6.55, we're gonna see a test around the $7.6770. Okay, here. Okay, we might get a rejection again because this is normal, because we have a massive selling pressure. So yeah, we need to hold this one. And this is crazy. Yes, $6.75. And we have a big wick. And if we go even smaller, 15 minute. Okay, we have two wicks happening here on buying pressure. Okay, really interesting. Annabelle, we already talked about Bbig. You can check the live streaming after we finish. The stock that we already covered, guys, you can check the video, like this video of our live streaming after we finish. And you can actually watch whatever stock you want. And now we have to cover the stock we didn't cover. Okay, so we don't have a lot of time to cover all the stocks. So this is good. Is really how I put it. I don't want to repeat myself and cover the stock that we covered before. Okay, this will be more productive, I think. So we just checked the stock we didn't cover. So Ray asked about ISWH. This one we didn't cover. Someone talk about NFTs. No problem, Aniba. My pleasure. Always my pleasure. Okay, so this one is OTC market. Okay, we have boom. Let me check. Okay. Okay, I will be like extra careful for this one because we might drop until the $1.43 because we went until the $1.91 before. Okay, so this one will be really interesting. For this one, if we don't go above this resistance line around the $2.39, this will confirm, guys, that we're gonna go to $1.43 if we got just rejected here, because this will confirm that we're still doing our lower lows. Okay, here we got rejected and here we got rejected. And right now, if we got rejected here, this is it. The price will go here. And here we're gonna see a buying pressure again. Around the $1.43 would be a perfect buying opportunity, and buying pressure will happen here in order to rebound and again retest around the $2. So I will be extra careful right now or tomorrow. Any rejection around this area or even below the $2.39. Okay, this will be a significant signal of rejection and the price go down, where we hunt for the price. Yes, Goku, like it's been a while, like last time we covered sandal actually. Yes, this one. Okay, for sandal, we have a shabby kind of yeah. Let me just clear everything out, okay? This will be extra helpful for us to see. Okay, so the massive resistant area for sandal that will change everything is the 0.90 cent. We didn't test it. Right now we dropping. Okay, so the price for sandal that we should hold and we have a support should be around the 0.44. Let me check again. Yeah, around the 0.49 kind of, yeah, around this area, because we got rejected even below the 0.93 and the 0.76. So yeah, right now I will be extra careful around the 0.49, and here we're gonna see a buying pressure again, because we still downtrending, guys, as well for sandal. Like for a lot of stock, they have the same pattern. Okay, all of them just went down from February, and we saw a bit of buying pressure happen in June, and right now is going down again to find the support. So it's good to have you buy around the support, so you be always in green, and you just buy when the price go up. So if you buy in the midway here, you get cut up, okay? And we don't want to average down and buy the price when the price like the stock is trending down. We want this buy when the stock is moving up and have volume. So if you got cut buying stock have low volume, it's really hard to get out. It's really hard to average down even, or even trigger your trade. So that's why I told you guys always buy around the support, because around the support you always find volume, you always find like people to buy your stock if you want to sell. This is the essence of selling, you know, or buying on stock market. So always buy around the support, learn to buy around the support, so you always be always in the green, and you have like less time to hold the trade, so it'll be quick. Okay, we have here wait a second, Arquaze, who's that man standing behind you? Whoa, did you saw a man behind me? So this is, it mean is a ghost, because I have no one with me except my lovely guitar. Is that what you're referring to? Hopefully you didn't see a person. Hopefully would be really weird, you know. It mean we got like a spirit cut on camera. Would be really interesting to watch. Okay, Clifton, we check Syncionic. However, there's something urgent right now for Farida. VLTA keeps going down. Is it a buy? Okay. Okay. I think I see a pattern right now for a lot of trader who just have interest to buy some stocks downtrending. So be careful, guys. Let me check this one for Farida and just give an example, okay? Because when you buy a stock downtrending like this one, and you think, okay, you think that the price is cheap because it's $7 right now, and before it was $18. You see what's have the perception here? Here we have the price 7. Here we have the price 18. So here is kind of discount price. You see, like, oh, 17, oh, 18 is like double the price, almost double the price. So if I bought right now at the $7, this is what Farida thinking, I think. Ah, so now it's $7. So let me take my calculator. So let me buy right now $7 with 50,000. Because if 50,000, if we go on 18, whoa, I can make 100,000. So buy. No, this is called a bias, guys. Bias of, I don't know, there's a name for it. In psychology, it's called when you have this kind of perception of the price. This is kind of advertising and Black Friday and things like this to do like discount and this like this to let people the incentive like have make people to buy something even they don't buy it because it's cheap. Like you buy a new TV because you see it's cheap because it dropped like 20% or 10%. So this is as the same, guys. Never take the perception of time, the price before 18 and right now is 7 and you buy. What you want to see, always draw the support and the resistance. So right now when we draw the support around the $9.93 and we didn't hold it, okay, and we have even a gap. So when you buy here and we don't have any support here and the price is free falling, so this is dangerous. For me, it's dangerous. I will not buy any stock even if I have like news that will have something. This is gambling, guys. I don't like it. So even the price go up, I don't go it because sometimes we get cut if we did it again with other stock. Okay, we might get lucky. I don't like luck with trading. So for this one, guys, I will be interesting if we go above the $9.93 again to hold this support. Other than that, I will not trade it. Okay, and I take my profit around the 13, not the 18, 13.58 if we go above the $9.93. So yeah, Farida, for this one, I will be extra careful. Exactly. Even worse is not falling knife, but a falling atomic bomb. You know, it's like it's like atomic bomb, this one. Okay, now we go to Clifton with Syncionic. For Syncionic, boom. Wait a second. So, yes. So yeah, as I search about it a bit, Farida, so the pricing bias, you know, So recent research suggests that by changing the way we frame the price of the product in relation to its like for the initial price, we can shows that they will be more satisfied when in the long run. So you think that you bought something in a good price when you think that you got a good offer when they put discount on the, I don't know, for the any product you want to buy. So yeah, if you bought a car like 10,000 K and they put a discount for 8K, and you think that you get a really good bargain of your money and you be happy. However, but in the big picture, and if you go back and you see how much it actually costs for the car manufacturer to make the car, you feel that they actually it was pricey, and they already make their profit like 300%, you know. So yeah, it's kind of win-win situation, but you always be the loser because if you bought something new, just consider this is like will be I don't know, the half the price of any product for a car will be almost 80% or 90% depreciation, I think. So yeah, wait a second, let me go to Syncionic because we have someone talk about Syncionic. So yeah, Syncionic kind of testing the resistance around the $3.42 right now. Actually, right now it's been testing around the resistance at $3.42. And again, for Syncionic, guys, I will be extra careful around this area because this is where the squeeze will happen. Okay, I will make it easier for you guys. I will make it visual because I'm really visual guy. You see, this is really it for Syncionic. Here, any price go above again around even the $4 again. We're gonna see a going to all-time high around the $5 again, $5.50. This is it for Syncionic. If we're gonna see the price movement here above this exponential average, around this area, even around the $3.84 this time, to just close above this exponential average, because we got rejected here. Let me check here, 1 and 2 and and 3. So the fourth time is it. We're gonna see explosion until the $5. So this is it for Syncionic. I just put notification around the $3.88 to be so you don't miss the, I don't know, the big move for Syncionic. I always do that, guys, so I don't miss any price movement. I put notification on my brokerage account, and when the price go up, I just get in, you know. Good question, David. CI, simple as that. The squeeze price will be around the $2.95, but before we have to close around this level for CEI. Really simple, because we already talked about it and we got rejected precisely as we said around the $2.25. So any price next time go around the $2.25 and close green candle here, will be a sign of price ignition. Okay, here around this level, this is kind of the price test for, or the price ignition, and we need to hold above this. This will be a perfect scenario for CEI because we have a really good test around the $3, and $3 will be the squeeze area. However, right now we're still holding above the $2, $1.23. This is kind of good above this exponential average. As we said, guys, this is it, will be it for Syncionic if we don't want to see a sell-off. Okay, and by tomorrow, as I said, we don't want to see a rejection, because tomorrow we're gonna see a test for the $1.38. Even pre-market, we might see a price going up. Okay, as everybody said, like in options, everybody like put options around the $1.26 and trigger and will buy really fast, because here is a big volatility and a lot of people see a discount price right now. That's why it's still holding above this exponential average. Okay, this is it for CEI. CETX exploded. Whoa, what's going on? T-Bond. Love you, brother. Thank you. Yeah, we're gonna talk about EDU. EDU is have a big volume picking up as well, and CETX, we're gonna see it right now. CETX and EDU. Yes, ADU, we have, as I said, guys, we have this big triangle. We have a volume picking up, big volume picking up, guys, for EDU. So for EDU, look what's going on. This is what we want to happen to Cincianic. Look, this is what we wanted to happen to Cincianic. You see, we want this happen exactly to Cincianic. That's happened to ADU, guys. The price is go above the triangle and being squeezed up. And right now we have this candle. Look, at the open of the market, we have this wick and bought back. And right now there is a green candle forming around the $2.40. So by tomorrow, we want to see the price test around the trigger area for explosion will be around the $2.54. By tomorrow, if we see the $2.55, we're gonna see the $2.93, and here will be the squeeze. Here will be the squeeze. Here will be. There's a strategy, guys, for ADU. Either you take 50%, 60% profit around the $2.93 because we might see a rejection here, and let the other go. Okay, let the other go until the $4.90. $4 something, because here is uncertainty. Okay, here where the uncertainty happen around this area, so be extra careful. And here, as I said, the squeeze will happen for ADU. Here again, if we still holding above this triangle, will be perfect squeeze for ADU. The next one we have CTXR, CETX. We have a test and rejection. You see, this is how it is. Testing for the resistance and a big rejection. That's the rejection area. That's why I told you always take a profit around the resistance. From the $1.33 we went until the $1.17 and a big gap. So yeah, for this one I will be extra careful around yeah, like for this one we should hold for this level, guys, if we don't want to see a sell off. We're already testing it and we have a buying pressure above it, $1.15. Yes, sir. This one we need to hold above this level, guys. Simple as that. $1.15, hold up. We're gonna see a consolidation in this area and test $1.33. $1.33 is really important to test again around this area, around our exponential average. Around this area, around the $1.69.70. Yeah, around this area we're gonna see a test if we go above the $1.33. Good question, double. So the strategy, what I do is it depends. First, if I have a growth stock and never touch them, I just put growth stock instead. Just take this example or analogy. Instead, I put most people put their money in the bank. I put it in the stock market in high value growth stock. Okay, I don't touch them. The other, like swing trade, day trade, I have 10%. My portfolio, I risk with it, and I play like a good trade, like I don't know, like OTC market, penny stock, and crypto. Like crypto is different. I don't touch the money crypto with stock. So you have to have some kind of organization with the money. Don't mix all the money together. For crypto, I have money just aside just for crypto. The profit of crypto, I regenerate it and I put it in crypto. Okay, the money in a growth stock, I just keep it in growth stock, and even each month I add in growth stock. For swing trade and day trade, I never mix as well. I have like account each for swing trade and day trade, because sometimes I get aggressive and I buy and sell, so I don't want to sabotage myself, and I take the money that I put in swing trade in long play, and I close this trade and I put it in day trade. This has always happened, guys. You have to organize, and you never mix all things together. It's big thing, guys. I have to learn this like in years, but yeah, it's took me a lot, but it was a good lesson for me. So you have to lose money to understand this kind of thing. So yeah, you have to have a strategy and organization, guys. And and of course you have many accounts, so you don't mix your money together, and it would be a big mess. No problem, no problem, double. What we have here, we have another question from Miguel about FUBO, and there is a potential. Is there a big potential for it? And this is a great question from Miguel. Okay, let's go to the chart and see if there's a big potential or not. Okay, I'm just giving you the truth. Okay, here at my channel, I'm just giving the truth, guys. I'm not like a sugar talking to you. Okay, I'm just saying the truth and what I see in the chart. So chart is what it's telling me. So here, guys, high chance we don't gonna hold the 24.7 level this time while I'm dropping. At least a support hold around the 23. Okay, let me take this. Okay, let me just take this off. So for this one, we have a bit of support around the 23.21. For this one will be high value or high potential. For this one, if we just, because we have a kind of, yes, let me just do this. Yeah, still there's a potential right now. There's a potential here, guys. There's a potential, but let me just, the support is around the 22. And the price should actually hold, and if we already bounced from it, the 22. And right now I will be extra careful. If you want to buy or average down, right now will be will be the bottom actually, because we already have the bottom before around the 14, and right now we doing higher lows. So general trend right now is reversing, and we have this channel in between, this channel of charging. So this is kind of good right now, what I see for FUBO. Any price go above and holding this ascending line and close above the 32, we're gonna see the 39 and above again. This will be reversal in trend. Okay, will be a good sign. And again, the 22.22, will be it for the stock. If we want to have a big potential and a big, I'm talking about big potential above the 60, we need to hold above this ascending line in the short term, in like this month, and closing this time again around the 32 or the 30 to prove that we have confirmed that the 22.22 was the bottom, because it is, guys. This is crazy. After this buying pressure that happened from the 14 until the 36, that happened around April, and we did almost how much? 136%. So right now we wait to do this the same, even 100% from now, and will take us easily around the 50 again. So this is easily volatile stock, and is not strange to do even 200 to 300 for it. So yeah, we are really near the support right now. So yeah, I will be put notification first around the 2190 and the 3150, just in case, to show us that there's a momentum change. Okay, guys, for Bbig, yeah, Bbig is moving like crazy, Bbig, lately. We already covered Bbig. I think we did the video about it. So look at Bbig, guys, is doing great. And as we said in the latest video that we did, the price bounced from this ascending line, and we predicted the price to go and bounce from this when we went for this level here, when we got rejected here. Around the 37. Okay, so the 37.11, guys, this is it for Bbig. Okay, this is the squeeze area. This is where a Bbig will have another squeeze, as before we did around the 70. So this one will be another squeeze for Bbig, guys. Be ready for it. So from now, before you sleep, okay, before you just close your eyes, just put notification around the 37.75 and thank me later. Okay, this will be crazy movement happening after we test this level. And again, if we get rejected right now because we see a slowing in momentum, we want to see a buying pressure happening around the 29 this time, or the 30. Okay, around the 30, which should be our support in order to see that squeeze happening and we don't lose the momentum for Bbig, guys. This will be crazy good for Bbig to happen in this month, not even like next month, but this month. Okay, this is really crazy what's going on with the stock market. Like what's happened in the beginning of this year, then the mid of this year we have a bit of consolidation and price jump again. Now at the end of this year, there is a price movement happened. So this year, guys, was a big roller coaster ride regarding like COVID, regarding like the vaccine and things like this, regarding stock market, crypto. What else? Like we have like crazy things, even in political things. I don't want to talk about it, but yeah, things, a lot of things happened during this year. And even for my like my life, actually, like a lot of things happening. And I have an announcement to make, actually. And next Sunday, I'm gonna put it on my community section. And this will be crazy because I never done that. And this will be a challenge for me, and hopefully I will have the support from you guys. and I will show you around Sunday. I will make a video and I will show you what I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna even put pictures and community section, and we'll see if someone already did this kind of thing. And yeah, this was a crazy year, guys, and it was a pleasure to be like one of the big community we have right now. And yeah, we started YouTube this year, so we have a big community, and we almost getting like the 10,000 subscriber on YouTube. This is crazy, and almost 100 Patreon. So yeah, we almost done it, and this is kind of my goal for this year, guys, to get like the 10,000 subscriber and 100 Patreon. This is the big milestone for me, and I will never do that, guys, when without your support. And of course, I always will do like updates. It was daily update video, daily update. It was really hard for me, but it's not hard because I do what I love, and I feel like you guys bring me this energy that keep me going, you know. So yeah, it's not difficult to actually upload every day, not even on YouTube, but on Patreon, because we upload daily on Patreon, even like, I don't know, 2 videos, 3 videos a day. And you can actually check it out, guys. The Patreon link, you can find it in comment section. And we have only 2 left here on Disciplined Hunter, and the first one is already sold out. So yeah, the first one is already sold out, and we have this just 2. And if you want the king already, I think gone, just we have 1 left. And yeah, this is if you want one-on-one meeting. And for this one, guys, if you want like 2 stocks, request a stock, you can request for me to analyze the stock pre-market, so you could hunt where you buy, where you sell, all the alerts, everything, you guys. Okay, and we have another one, the last one, if you want one-on-one meeting, but 2 session. Okay, so we can actually discuss about your strategy and how to perfect your strategy, and we can actually talk like twice, so we can see your improvement and give you like some kind of ideas about improving your strategy, and you can give me your portfolio to check it for you and everything. So we already have 1 left, and as well for this 1 left. So check this out, and let's get ready to hunt, guys. And again, thank you for the watching, and hopefully was I answer your question, guys. And again, I will make a update by tomorrow for the stock, for the requested stock from you guys. And yes, as I said, just join us, guys, in Patreon, and as well for Discord. You can find it in the comment section below. And if you have any questions, just leave it in the live streaming. This after it's finished, you can actually comment, and just let us know if you have any question regarding stock, regarding I don't know, like whatever you have, like opinion about crypto, what crypto we should cover beside Shiba, beside Dogecoin. So yeah, we have to share knowledge, share stocks, and that's how we make money, guys. So you just give me your opinion about stocks or crypto, and we could actually hunt it together, and we make some money. That's why we're here, guys. We try to make some money. So without further ado, hopefully you have a nice evening, and see you by tomorrow. Of course, daily, guys. I'm here daily to update you. So without further ado, see you in the next video.